If you're someone who's looking for great profit potential, keep watching this video. Hello everyone, I'm Eileen from Casamona and we're here in Barceloneta, one of the most authentic neighborhoods in Barcelona, just steps away from the beach as you can see. Today we'll have a very special listing to show you. Here at Casamona we don't only offer ready to move in apartments but also very great apartments with great potential for investors or someone who just wants to renovate and build their own apartment from scratch. So keep watching this video if you're one of these people.
This apartment is located in the highest floor of this building and it includes this community terrace with gorgeous views over at Barceloneta.
So here at the apartment and the terrace is just one stairways up. Again, welcome to this apartment. So this apartment has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So let's start with the first bedroom. So this bedroom is the smallest one. As you can see, it doesn't need a bit of renovation or designing. That's why it's a great project for you. So here we have a lot of natural light as you can see, and we have your own private terrace that I'm going to show you right now. You have the amazing views to the sea as you can see. And this terrace goes all the way to the other bedrooms like windows. So from the other bedrooms you can see you have the second bedroom here and then the third bedroom right there. So you have your windows to the terrace. And I'm going to show you the second and third bedroom. I'm going to show you the bathroom that we have here.
This bathroom is already in a great starting stage. It's bright and the marble patterns gives it a modern feel.
Now on to the second bedroom. As you can see, it's bright, it's perfect size, and it also has a lot of natural light. Yes. And here finally we have the living room. You can put a nice dining area here, a little sofa, and just right besides the living room we have the biggest bedroom here. Let me show it to you. So this one has its own closet as well, as you can see. Onto the small compact kitchen that we have here. As you can see, it does need a renovation, but this is a perfect project for those who like to visualize their own kitchen from scratch. It has enough space for everyday cooking and making great food. And lastly, we have a second terrace, just starting from the living room. Let me show it to you. And right here, we have a little space. You can put anything you would want. And back of us is a washing machine. So this area kind of works like a laundry room and room for space. You can see we have these things hanging here. If you're interested in an amazing renovation project, just contact us at Casamona and we'll get your next apartment.